at the sweep command, which is up here. This can be used to basically wrap a tube around or along a path. So hopefully it'll make sense as we do this. I'm going to click on sketch. I'm going to click on a top plane. I'm going to get rid of the other planes like so. And I'm just going to take, let's go with a line for this time. I'm going to start here. I'm going to click up here, click here, click here, click here, click here, and click here. Okay, very, very random. No method to that madness. I'm going to dimension it. So we're going to make this say 30. We're going to make this say 40. We're going to make this one 28. This one 26. And I'm actually going to delete this line here by clicking on it and pressing delete. Okay, now obviously I can move this around. It's not constrained in any way. Let's constrain it. So let's make this angle, say, to 30. Let's make this angle to 70. Let's make this angle to 60, like so. Okay, this is a bit better. We can still move this up and down because we haven't dimensioned this line here. Let's make this one 30. Okay, and now everything is black, which is good. We want this to be nice and smooth though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the sketch fillet tool up here. I'm going to click on this point. I'm going to make this radius 10. I'm going to do the same here. It will do it automatically. Same here. Same here. Green tick that like so. Okay, so we now have our random shape. We want to basically take this line and add a profile to it to make it 3D. So what I can do is I can click on the green tick part here, and fortunately I have drawn this part on the origin here like so, so I could just click straight onto this part here like so. I could take my sketch, I could go normal 2, and I could say draw a circle on that origin that is a certain size. Let's make it 20 millimeters. Actually, that's probably going to be too big. Let's go for 10 millimeters. I can green tick that. And now I have a circular profile with my line that I can go and click on the sweep tool up here. It says faces and sketches to, or sorry, sketch regions to sweep. So the face is going to be this, and the sweep path is going to be this part here. And I'm going to basically have to click all the way along here in order to get my sweep path. In terms of what else we can do, there's lots of different options in terms of how you want the faces to be oriented, but that is a very simple sweep. Now you might be thinking, what if I have started my sweep in a random position, not on the origin? And the way that you can do this is by adding in a new plane. So say we're going to start it from this end, there is no plane there. So what we can do is we can go up and click on the plane icon up here. We can click on this, we can click on the different types that we want. And I'm going to go point normal. Okay, this is probably the easiest one what we are going to be doing. We then click on this point, and we want the part that's going to be normal to it. So normal is basically perpendicular at 90 degrees to that point. So this part here, and then you can see I have got my plane that is perpendicular or normal to this point. I then click on green tick, and I can do exactly the same thing by selecting this plane to sketch on, go normal to. I can take my circle, I can see that this is just there, and it's going to basically give me that quick snap. Click again, dimension that, let's make it a bit smaller this time, let's make it 4 millimeters. Green tick, take my sweep tool. Faces, we know is going to be this face. Sweep path, click on that when it goes red. We know that this is going to be the sweep path. Oops, sorry, I've got to get rid of. There we go, sweep path is going to be this. So you're going to click all the way around, like so. And then you have your sweep from a slightly different position. So that is the simple way of creating a sweep. You can do lots of different things with it. You can go across multiple planes, but in a basic sense, that is all we are going to do.